pretty much the home screen of the application, and very simple to use. So first up, let's start with the home section here. This is where you go to pretty much see other things that are on the application or templates which you can use to start creating your videos. Let's say, for example, you're looking for an intro, or looking for a school type of vlog, which you can copy. You're looking just for sample, a template. So let's say, for example, this dog template here, you might see for example, you might see this one here, you might like it. You can also copy this and use the edit that they have used to create this video. Do keep in mind some of their features that they use in the making of this video will hinder you from exporting the video. So this section here, you can also scroll to see other videos that they have created, or you can tap on their profile to see videos that they have created as well. You can give them a follow. You can even like the videos that they have created, and also leave a comment. So as you can see there's quite a lot of things for this option. So let me just go back quick. You can also go at the top and search for what you want. These are pretty much things other people have created within the application. So in a remix option here, this is pretty much like a shorts TikTok type of thing where you can scroll, you can see different edits by different people, and you can also use the edit that they have created. So as you can see, you can give them a like, you can comment, you can also share with your friends and family as well of cases. So if you tap on the remix option here, it will pretty much download everything that they have used to create this video here. Will go into your editing section. So as you can see here, it will take a while to load. Once it's finished, it will pretty much load up like this. So as you can see here, everything that they have used to create this video, everything will be here, and as you can see, everything, basically everything. And I'm able to export it as well. So if I tap on the export option here, I can export the video. If I want to save it for myself, can change the quality, the frame rate, can increase the high, low, whatever the case is. Also can change the compatibility for devices and so forth. So once I choose what I want to do with the video, either upload it to my profile, which you can do as well as all other people are doing on the application, then either save it to your gallery or upload it to the community. So as you can see here, quite a lot of editing features which you can use. You have the auto caption option here. You have to tap on the get plugin, and this is like a store where you can get other plugins to use with the applications. So as you can see here, different style of auto captions which you can use. Also can copy their super resolution as well and add it to my video. Can use their noise remover as well. They have a lot of tools which you can use. They also have the AI options which you can use as well, changing your video to AI. But some of these may require a premium subscription, so do keep in mind. Here at the top as well, you can see other filters which I can use on my videos. So once let's say for example, download one of these plugins, I can just tap on the download option, select the one that I want, tap on the download option here, and it will load up real quick. Once it's downloaded, I'll be able to go to this option here and add it as well. So very simple to use. So you can find it, you can scroll across and find it down here where it says asset stores. Once I tap on that option, I'll be able to find it here. I can also search for what I want as well, or I can download something from here. Also, not just that, I can also download music that the application has given me as well. So a lot of things, guys, a lot of things. And at the top here, you see the My option. These are all the stuff that you have downloaded with this application will pretty much show here. So whether you like videos you liked and so forth. Nothing much for that. So once you have done editing your video, you can just export it, or you can tap on the settings icon here to do a little more editing as well. So you can rotate the screen and so forth. Auto rotate option, you can enable that. You have here, you have the transition, you have the video option here where you can edit as well. And the audio option, music fading option here which you can edit as well. Nothing much for that. So it all depends upon what you guys want to edit. So let's say you want to just save the video for later. You can just tap on the R icon there and it will automatically save for you by showing up here, and I can always go back to the video by just tapping on it and continue editing. So do keep in mind, if you do have the video in your gallery section and it deleted, it's not gonna load. So we'll keep that in mind as well. So here you can also tap on the select option, select all product, and you can delete all of these here, and you're pretty much good to go. So in the me section, this is where you go to edit your profile, and as well if you're going to upload videos, all you have to do is tap on the create option. Once you have created your video, you're gonna tap on the upload pretty much being uploaded to your community and so forth. So if you're gonna create a video from the application using your video from your gallery, all you have to do is tap on create new. Here you have quite a lot of aspect ratio which you can use. All you have to do is select whichever one you want to use. Also you have the advanced option here where you can select the display of photo display here. Nothing much for that, but you can just select whichever one you want to use. Tap on create, can give it a name. Sometimes you don't have to give it a name, guys. So you may see the subscription page, just tap on skip. And you're pretty much good to go. Go ahead and select, let's say, an image or a video. Whatever the case is, you guys editing, but it's most likely a video. So once you have selected that media that you're going to edit, it will show up here, and you'll be able to edit it to your liking. So as you can see here, all the tools that they have down here, which you can use. So very, very easy to use. As I said before, nothing hard. So some of the features may require subscription. So you have to get the subscription. How do you get the subscription? You can tap on the crown icon at the top here. As you can see here, these are all the prices that they have for their subscription, and they do give you a 3 days free trial on Android devices. I'm not sure on iPhones, but they do give you a 3 days free trial so you can test out their premium subscription features. So always can go back again and tap on the premium at the top here as well to find the premium or the subscription page. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, guys, please comment below. I will see if I can help you. And with all that, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next tutorial.